Hello YouTube, let's have a small part silent video first of this human race NMD close mood. Okay, let's check the shoes. Okay, let's back to voice. Do you like these shoes? This is the new style one for the 2017 for. Yeah, it's just the one colorway of force. Yes, and you can see that. Yes, I think everyone are familiar with Pharrell human race NMD, and these shoes, they are the differences places are first are the colors, and second are the materials of these shoes. You can see this. Yes, it's like of sock kind materials. Yes, so it's bouncy. Yes, and elastic. So, and the third, the material is the upper materials and the outsole material. You can check the outsole material is rubber. So compared with previous human race NMD and this one, close moon, the outsole is more durable and it will protect you in raining days from sliding down. Yes, but you can check this. Since it's made of rubber sole and it will be heavy. So, but the feature of the middle sole is light and comfortable. So, do you think that this rubber also increases the weight of these shoes? Do you like this? Weighter, more heavier than previous human race NMD. Yes, see this? Yes, these stitchings are elegant. So, and here is the series number, and also this TPR shoelace cages. Yes, and the back here. Yes, on the other shoes is Pharrell medium, and this shoes is Adidas. Yes, let's look insole. Yes, with letters PELVIS and the size tab label. Yes, US size 7. And for the shoelaces, there is a yellow one. There are two shoelaces. Yes, one is yellow and the other is white with gray stripes decorated. And the tips here like this. And this shoelace have 3M effects. So this is the shoes. Yes, check our workmanship. Yes, and check this real boost. And check this beautiful back here. Yes, these nice stitches. Yes. If you like these shoes, please contact with me by my website. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.